Are you looking for the best air purifiers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best air purifiers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Coway AP 2015F Air Purifier. The Coway AP 2015F AirMega 400 Smart Air Purifier is designed to provide exceptional air quality for large spaces up to 1,560 square feet. It features a hypercaptive filtration system that combines a washable pre-filter, activated carbon filter, and green true HEPA filter to capture 99.999% of particles as small as 0.01 microns, including allergens, pollutants, and odors. The unit can purify a large area in just 30 minutes and offers real-time air quality monitoring with a color-coded LED indicator. It includes 3 smart modes, Auto, Eco, and Sleep, that adjust performance to environmental conditions while minimizing energy consumption. The AirMega 400 operates quietly at 22 dB, has a sleek white design, and is compact and lightweight for versatile placement. Intuitive touch controls and a 5-year warranty make it a reliable and convenient choice for maintaining clean, healthy air in large living areas, bedrooms, or offices. Number 2. Medify MA112 Air Purifier. When it comes to whole house purifiers, you first need to think about how large of an area you want to cover. If you are only looking to work with a smaller space, then you can get a smaller and less powerful model. If, on the other hand, you want to purify your whole house, then you will need a larger model, like this one. It has an absolutely enormous coverage area of 2,400 square feet, which should be more than enough for most homes. It can accomplish this amazing feat thanks to its triple filtration system. While many other units only have 1 or 2 different filter stages, this unit comes with 3. These include a pre-filter for larger particles, a HEPA filter for fine particles, and an activated carbon filter for bacteria. These 3 layers of filtration all work together efficiently to effectively clean the air within the coverage area. It should come as no surprise that this unit is CARB, ETL, and Energy Star certified. This is also one of the easiest air purifiers to set up as well. Thanks to its easy to read and very simple to use touch screen, you will be able to get this model up and running very quickly without too much trouble. Number 3. Alen Air Purifier. If you are in the market for an air purifier that is truly capable of cleaning up the air in a large chunk of your house, then this is the model for you. This unit is able to purify up to 1,300 square feet, which should be more than enough for 1 floor of your home, if not the entire space. While this purifier is on the smaller side, it is still quite powerful. It comes equipped with 5 different fan speeds, which allow you to find the right speed to fit your needs. Obviously, the higher the speed, the more air it will clean at a time. Something else that helps to set this unit apart from its competitors is the fact that it can clean so much, while only using 1 filter. The reason that this model is still so effective is that the filter has 2 different filtration stages. This true HEPA filter helps to catch and trap more dust and allergens than a standard filter. Since it only has 1 filter to worry about replacing, this is one of the cheapest purifiers to operate. This appliance also comes with a filter life indicator. This indicator will let you know when it is time to replace the filter. This helps to keep the device running as smoothly as possible since you won't ever overuse a filter as long as you are paying attention to this easy-to-see indicator. Number 4. Winix 5500-2 Air Purifier. You might think that it is impossible to find a good purifier that isn't going to cost you too much. While there are many quality models out there that are quite expensive, this purifier is not. Even though it is quite compact, it is still able to cover up to 360 square feet, which is more than enough for most rooms, which is a big plus. Perhaps the best thing about this particular unit, aside from its price, is the fact that it is extremely quiet. Even if you decide to have it operate on its highest fan level, it will not get any louder than 28 decibels, which is about the same level as the wind blowing through a pile of leaves. Plain and simple, if you choose to get this unit, you will barely even notice that it is on. Something else that is quite surprising for this budget-friendly model is its filtration system. While most smaller models only have one filter, this unit comes equipped with 3. It has a pre-filter for larger pieces of dust, an activated carbon filter to remove bacteria, and a HEPA filter for very fine particulates. This makes it an extremely effective purifier, despite its compact size. Of course, this unit is only effective when it is on its highest fan settings. The sleep mode barely moves any air at all, which limits its effectiveness, so you will have to keep it working on full power to keep your air clean. Thankfully, the unit is still quiet, which will make it much easier for you to keep it running on high. Number 5. Honeywell HEPA 300 Air Purifier. Honeywell has long been a company that is known for making high-quality heaters, humidifiers, and air purifiers. This model is no different. In fact, even though it is extremely compact, it still packs quite a punch. It has a coverage area of 465 square feet, which is large enough to cover multiple rooms in most houses. It is also very quiet. Even when it is turned up as high as possible, it still only puts about 28 dB, which is extremely quiet. This unit comes with 2 different filters that work together to catch all of the dust particles in the air. It has a pre-filter to collect larger pieces, and a true HEPA filter to trap the finer particles. This results in a very efficient purifying process that is sure to help make your home more hospitable for anyone that suffers from allergies. One of the reasons that this device can handle such a large coverage area while still remaining quite compact is because of its fan speeds. It has multiple speeds to choose from, with its top speed being referred to as turbo mode. This turbo mode circulates the air very quickly, which helps to clean a lot more air in a shorter amount of time. This is perfect if you are going to be having guests over soon and want to quickly purify the air before they arrive. Source: https://houseandbeyond.org/best-hole-house-air-purifier